So what's the command to create the file in a Red Hat Linux operating system? We have three commands: cat, touch, and vi. So with these three, we can create the file and modify the file and delete the file. Let's see first how to create the file with a cat, vi, and touch. Touch file1. Okay, see. So we have created the file1. Okay. So at the same time, we can also create the file with a cat. Cat greater than symbol and file2. So with the cat, we can add the content. Okay. So this is the file2 content. This. So to come out of the file, Control D. Okay. Now, if you see, to view the file content, cat file2. So this is the file content. This is the file2 content. The file2 is closed. This is the file2. And let's see how to create the file with vi editor. Vi file3. Now the with the cat and touch or touch, we can't add or modify the content. With the cat, we can only add the content, but with vi, we can create the file, modify the content inside the file. So we can do multiple things in file with which is created by vi. Okay, so this, let's add the content inside the file. This is the file 3 created with the vi editor. This is the end of the file. So to come out of the file and save, press colon, come out of the escape mode, WQ, close, save. So this is how we can create the file.